This week's learning point is a follow-up from last week's. It's me driving this time, and I slow very heavily to make it really clear for the ambulance driver they can go in front. He was really appreciative, and it allowed him to get to his emergency much sooner. The early pickup of the ambulance coming through the junction wasn't even down to his sirens, because they weren't on until very late. It was the scanning side to side as I'm coming up to the junction trying to look out for danger. Another important note, although I did have the radio on, it's never for me going to be loud enough to drone out the sound of emergency service vehicles.